Alright, it's the first swim of the summer. How warm is it?
It's like 66.
66?
Yep. Are you ready to check? Yep. I'm checking it. I'll tell you 66. Go jerking.
66.
I'm nervous. I'm straight up nervous. Oh, I got it.
It's really cold. You're going to have to get right out.
Is it really that cold? Ready, Matt?
I'm ready. I'm filming.
Oh, right now?
Yep.
Ah, my goodness! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh my goodness!
They always have to be the first ones in the pool.
It's really not that bad. The first one is just cold.
You're not freezing?
I'm actually not that cold. It was intense at first, let's be honest. I expected it to be way more cold. Way colder. That's not gonna work. Oh.
It's cold. I don't care who you are. It's cold.
You have that first moment of shock and
Yeah,
then it goes away.
I do. You just have to keep... Why?
With the goggles.
Oh, you can't dive with goggles.
No, this one's straight to my ankle.
Oh. Are there no strings on it?
No, these are to my ankle.
I know, there's no string?
Oh, man. So cold. Now it's cold. I don't know why. I'm fucking freezing. You should just chill in here. We'll get it warm in